Did you know you can make $700 a week or more by promoting products on Amazon for as little as 5 minutes a day? Yeah, that all sounds great and everything, but how are we going to do this? How are we going to accomplish this? We're going to use a business model called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid a commission to promote a brand's or a company's product or service online. Okay, so let's say that you have your friends, your family, whoever loves shopping on Amazon. They're going through, they're scrolling through, they're finding the perfect item they've been looking for forever, that kind of thing, birthday gifts, holiday gifts, whatever it may be. So let's say, for example, that they really, really like this tumbler. So let's click on the tumbler. You wanted to promote this product, this tumbler here as an affiliate product. So all you'd have to do is you go up here to get link, and you're going to click on text, and then you're going to highlight this unique referral link. So when you sign up for Amazon affiliate program, it's also known as Amazon Associates. So when you highlight your affiliate link, you can paste that wherever you like. So friends, family, different social medias, social networks, and if somebody clicks on that and makes that purchase, it doesn't matter if they purchase the tumbler or the item in there or not. Anything that they have in their cart for 24 hours, you're going to get a cut of. So now that you guys have an idea of what affiliate marketing is through Amazon, how do you actually promote your products? Yeah, you found really cool products, but how do you actually promote them? So there's a couple different ways that we can look at this. So there's either paid ads, but I prefer the free traffic method, which means you're not spending a dime for any of your traffic, which is awesome because who wants to pay more than they have to, right? So the first one is Pinterest, and then we have LinkedIn, and then Nexdoor, and finally Facebook. One of my personal favorites, Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it's basically kind of like a pinup board where you can pin pins, and you're basically just pinning pictures or videos onto your board. So super easy, super simple to follow, easy to create an account. The really cool thing that I don't think a lot of people realize is that Pinterest is huge. There's 450 million active users per month. That's insane. So the opportunity for you to promote your affiliate links for free is just unlimited. So let's dive into Pinterest and let's take a look and show you how cool it is. How does it work? So we're right here. We're on a Pinterest pin board. Love Nature Reviews is actually a blog of mine. So let's scroll down here. I want to show you actually what you can do. So let's say, for example, you wanted to create this pin right here. So how much do night vision goggles cost? So let's go take a look at Amazon, and then we can search for night vision goggles. And there is a ton here. So what we can do is I always like to sort by like the 4 or 5 star and then start from there. So it doesn't really matter the brand because for this example, we're just going to go through and I'm going to show you how to put the affiliate link in. So let's use this one because this one's got 4,000 reviews, which is awesome. So you can take a look at the picture. You can take a look at some of these different features that it has on this side. So night vision goggles, 4K night vision. So let's just say that you wanted to take your pin on Pinterest and you wanted to specifically promote this night vision goggle product. So all you have to do, you go up to get link up here in the top corner, click on text, and it's going to give you this link right here. So this is your unique referral link. So referral link, affiliate link, same thing. Those are interchangeable. So you can take a look and see short link looks a lot more professional and kind of put together than a full link. A full link is really long and it looks really cluttered, and quite frankly it looks a little spammy. So I like the short links. So all you would do is you would highlight your link, copy it, and then we're going to go back over to Pinterest. And then what you want to do is you want to actually create it as enticing and curiosity driven as a title as possible to try to get someone to click on the pin. So once you have the image and you click on the pin, you can put in a little description here, and then you can go through here, you can edit pin, and you can go down and you can, for website right here, you can copy and paste your affiliate link just like that, and you can click on save. So what that means now is if somebody clicks on the pin, that's the first step. So next, if you take a look in the bottom left corner right here, it says it's your Amazon link. So if somebody clicks on this to go find out how much night vision goggles cost, it's going to redirect them right to this 4K night vision goggles. Next up, we have LinkedIn. LinkedIn is interesting because I think it's really an untapped market as far as affiliate marketing. Anyway, let's dive into LinkedIn. So, by the way, if you're enjoying this video and if you're getting value out of it, please drop a like. That would be awesome. So once you're in LinkedIn, what you can do is you can go through and you can actually join a group. So I joined this one group a little earlier last year. It's about nature and landscape and wildlife photography. So here's how you can fit in an Amazon affiliate link. What we're going to do is we're going to focus in on comments. So the reason we're not going to create a post and say, hey, click my link, go to this product or whatever it is because there's a high likelihood that LinkedIn may possibly flag that as spam. So let's go to Amazon, let's search for photography, and let's see if anything comes up here. So anything catches our eye. So again, we're going to go here and we're going to sort by 5-star, 4 or 5-star. Let's just say, for example, that you wanted to comment, I got this really cool lighting kit on Amazon, you got to check it out. If you wanted to include an image, you could totally include an image. So if you want to click on the image, and then what you can do is right click and click save image, and that way you're providing extra value. So it's not just a random link that you're posting, so you can upload the image as well. So once again, you're going to go up here to get link in the top left corner, click on text, and then you're going to highlight the link, and then what we can do is we're going to paste it into, click comment, and then we can paste it in here. So you could say something like, I found this really awesome lighting kit you may be interested in. And then what you can do is paste your Amazon affiliate link. So therefore, when people go through, they can actually see, even if you wanted to upload a photo, you could upload the photo right here. Our third free traffic source is Nexdoor. So if you're not familiar with Nexdoor, Nexdoor is a neighborhood community social media. Going through the posts is also an excellent option for free traffic for Amazon affiliate marketing. So let me show you how to do it. So what I did was I went through and I searched on Nexdoor for the keywords buy on Amazon. So if there's something that somebody's looking for something, just help them out. And that's the best way that you can do it. So let's go over here to Amazon. And so this person is looking for a TV antenna. So let's do TV antenna, and we can do indoor. So let's click on this one. This one's got 49,000. So 49,000 stars, 4.3 reviews, or sorry, 49,000 ratings. So this seems to be like a good one. Digital TV antenna, 250 miles, long range. That's pretty awesome, actually. And see how you can add a photo or a video. So if you were to download, you could download a photo or a video straight from Amazon, and you can actually upload it. That way there's some context with the antenna that you're providing information on. And maybe you could write like a little write-up or some sort of, maybe like a bullet point saying, I've used a brand like this before. It's been really great. The signal strength is really impressive. It's strong. It's great for the price. I mean, it's 30 bucks. So if you go back over here, so we could say, check out this antenna for your TV. It's long range and has 40+ thousand reviews. The fourth and final free traffic source is Facebook. So not just regular Facebook. I mean, you can do regular Facebook too, but specifically Facebook groups. And the reason why Facebook groups, in my opinion, are a great source of promotion for affiliate links, specifically for Amazon, is because there's the thousands, let's just say there's thousands of people in the group, but you don't have thousands of friends on Facebook. So this is an opportunity to reach a wider audience and be able to actually connect with people on the same interest. And what products could we suggest or recommend for this group, or specifically based on this photo? So I'm thinking one specific. We want to go for a life straw. So if you haven't heard of these things are pretty awesome. So if we search on Amazon for life straw, basically filters out all of the bacteria or any of the thing that is bad when you drink, because who's going to want to just sit there and drink water out of a creek with standing water? I don't know. I don't think I would, But so what we can do is let's find this one right here. So we'll just use this one. This is a great product that we can suggest because not only is it relatable, but it's also something that directly corresponds with the photo itself, and it's unique too. So what we're going to do is, if you want to include a picture, usually if you say life straw, people are going to know what you're talking about. So if we go back over here to Facebook, then you can click on, you write your comment, and then we're going to paste it right here. So be sure to watch this video coming up next, because you're not going to want to miss it. You're going to want to make sure that you have all your tracking IDs set up for all of your social media accounts.